100 English words that start with A. Listen and repeat for beginners.
Hello!
Welcome to English Podcast.
In this video,
You will learn 100 English words.
all words begin with the letter A.
Listen and repeat.
Speak with us.
Improve your English step by step.
Ability,
Ability.
able,
Able.
about,
About.
above,
Above.
abroad,
Abroad.
absent,
Absent.
absolutely,
Absolutely.
accent,
Accent.
accept,
Accept.
access,
Access.
accident,
Accident.
accommodation,
Accommodation.
accompany,
Accompany.
account,
Account.
accountant,
Accountant.
accurate,
Accurate.
ache,
Ache.
achieve.
Achieve.
Great work so far.
Let's keep going.
Say the words with us. Across,
Across.
act,
Act.
action,
Action.
active,
Active.
activity,
Activity.
actor,
Actor.
actress,
Actress.
actually,
Actually.
add,
Add.
addition,
Addition.
address,
Address.
admire,
Admire.
admission,
Admission.
admit,
Admit.
adult,
Adult.
advance.
Advance.
You're doing amazing.
Let's go a little further.
Advanced,
Advanced.
advantage,
Advantage.
adventure,
Adventure.
advert,
Advert.
advertise,
Advertise.
advertisement,
Advertisement.
advice,
Advice.
aeroplane,
Aeroplane.
afford,
Afford.
afraid,
Afraid.
after,
After.
afternoon,
Afternoon.
afterwards,
Afterwards.
again,
Again.
against.
Against. Keep speaking with us.
You're building your vocabulary. Age,
Age.
aged,
Aged.
agency,
Agency.
ago,
Ago.
agree,
Agree.
ahead,
Ahead.
aim,
Aim.
air,
Air.
air conditioning,
Air conditioning.
Air Force,
Air Force.
airline,
Airline.
airport,
Airport.
alarm,
Alarm.
alarm clock,
Alarm clock.
almost there,
Only 20 more to go.
album,
Album.
alike,
Alike.
alive,
Alive.
all right,
All right.
allow,
Allow.
almost,
Almost.
alone,
Alone.
along,
Along.
allowed,
Allowed.
alphabet,
Alphabet.
already,
Already.
also,
Also.
although,
Although.
altogether,
Altogether.
always,
Always.
amazed,
Amazed.
amazing,
Amazing.
ambition,
Ambition.
ambulance,
Ambulance.
among,
Among.
amount,
Amount.
amusing,
Amusing.
ancient.
Ancient. Great job! You said 100 words.
That's 100 new words starting with A.
Watch this video again.
And keep repeating.
Your English will get better every day.
Subscribe to English Podcast
For more videos,
to help you speak English confidently.